Hey, sweet boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You are losing all your winter hair. We have got to do a spa day for you. You need a spa day bad, don't you? Talk to Daddy. You see Daddy? Daddy's got you a treat. What do you think?
What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Look what Daddy's got you. That yummy? Look how furry he is. He's losing his winter hair. That yummy? Such a good boy. You don't sneak up on Geronimo. He sees you coming. Uh-oh. He likes blueberries.
Mm-hmm. The goat takes him.
Mm-mm. He likes those blueberries. He's a special little fella. You be a good boy with Geronimo. It's gonna rain again, isn't it? We'll come and give you a spa day soon. Get all that old hair off, okay?
That's all I got, baby.
Your daddy kisses. Daddy kisses.
Oh, boy. I brought him 3 of them.
He likes them. Bye, baby boy. Watch him lip smacking good there.